Hello YouTube. I wasn't actually going to take a video of this, but I decided to take a video of it after something I seen. This is a hydraulic filter on a New Holland swather, 1114, and this is what it looks like on each side. And this is what the canister it goes in looks like. When I took it apart, this was actually installed in backwards. The way the gentleman had it installed, and this is wrong, was he took it, see this row ring up here, and he set it in this way. That is not the correct way to put that. It actually, see the sealing surface, wouldn't do anything down in there. See, it's got ribs and everything. This surface is meant to go down there. This bolt in here has a taper, and the spring's meant to push this up on the base of where the filter sits in the machine. So it actually sit like this. So you'd have to lube that rubber O-ring to make sure it doesn't, you know, get screwed up on the bolt there. And the spring keeps the sealing surface nice and taut. It also means this will now function properly, which means separating water and also separating hard contaminants so the filter doesn't plug up prematurely. I'll also show you why I caught this. At first I thought, oh, that's right, but when you look at this filter, sorry, this is, see the middle here? If I had set it the other way, the sealing wouldn't do anything, because that bolt has no holes in it. It's not meant to flow. The flow actually is through here, and there's another slot right here. So when you set that right, that sealing face sits right up against this, allowing the center of the filter to flow, and the outside of the filter to flow over here. Now we'll go ahead and install the filter. The filter kit comes with a new O-ring right here, but they make some adhesives they're specifically meant for holding these O-rings up in here like that, but I haven't had luck with them working right, because usually when I'm pulling off these O-rings, as you can see, it's dripping oil. Well, I can never get it dry enough for that adhesive to do anything. Alternatively, you can take a dab of grease and hold them up there, but usually they fit fine enough where once you get them in there, they stay. This will actually be a challenge to put on because that spring, I don't know if you can see that, we'll try to be pushing this up all the time when I'm trying to install it. This is a gasket, so oiling is not as crucial. We'll get our center started. Then we get the fun task of trying to push this up while trying to get it threaded. Oop, almost had it. There we go. Got it started. Got quite a few threads on it. You don't want to cross thread this, otherwise you're going to have a bad day. This is just 3/4. It fits a little loose, but filter doesn't need to go very tight. So I'm watching this as I tighten it, make sure my filter's still where it should be. Okay, it is. Now I'm getting real close where it's going to want to seat. So now I need to make sure that I'm seating right. I'm not pushing it over too far one way or the other. So you're going to have to get in there and take a real good look. Alright, now we're starting to snug up a little. Don't need too terrible tight, just tight enough to stop this from vibrating loose. This is the Wix alternative, number 51467. That way you can cross it to whatever filter you may find.